what we are going to see now is called power. Everybody put this heading power. If my whiteboard is visible, please confirm me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The symbol of power is P. Symbol of power is P. Power means there is one simple definition that is called rate of doing work is called power. What is this? Rate of doing work. Rate of doing work is called power. All right. Rate of doing work is called power. All right, dear children. Now, power means a simple definition that is like work done. Some work will be done by one person, other person, and all. Some work will be done. No, work done means force into displacement. You know about that. Work done divided by time taken. This is only known as power. Work done divided by time taken. That is P is equal to, you can simply write W divided by T. Is it clear, dear children?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes,
just I
sir.
mean simple definition. Work done is equal to, sorry, power is equal to work done divided by time taken. Yeah. Now, if you want to have a look at this unit of power. So what is the unit of power? Tell me. What is the unit? Yeah. If you want to look at the unit, look at this. This work means joule, right? And time means second, right? So is it like joule per second? Unit is going to be joule per second, no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So this joule per second itself is known as watt. W-A-T-T, watt, and in the bracket we are going to write it as W. W means it is a symbol of watt. So unit of power is watt. Understood, dear children?
What?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Now, feel of power is very important. Feel means, I mean, they never, don't think like it is a concept. Feel means it is a concept. Don't think like that. For example, there is a coconut tree like this. Okay, there is one tree. Okay, not coconut tree, any one tree. And here also same exactly same tree is there. Okay, exactly same tree. Don't ask me how exactly the same tree will be there. Now here boy A is there. Now here boy B is there. Now they have to climb this tree. Now this boy who is climbing this tree, he takes nearly 1 minute. How much he takes? He takes 1 minute. Now this boy, he is climbing exactly the same tree. Now he takes, let me take 2 minutes. Who is powerful? Tell me.
Boy A.
Who
A.
is powerful?
A. A.
Boy
yes,
A is
sir.
powerful. No? This guy is more powerful. No? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
If I ask you why he is more powerful, you will say both are doing same work, sir. Here also same work is there. I mean, for example, if I just put it in the terms of physics, here also work is like 10 joule. For example, I'm giving. Here also work is 10 joule. Here also work is 10 joule. But he is doing it in 1 minute. He is doing it in 2 minutes. Same work. Both are having same work, but he takes less time. How much time he should take? He is taking less time and he is taking more time. Now, who does the work in less time? He is powerful, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Usain Bolt is powerful or you are powerful?
Hussein Bolt.
And
Hussein.
he takes very less time, no? He runs 100 meter within 10 seconds and we run 100 meter in maybe, I don't know in how many seconds you run. I may be running in maybe 14 or 15 seconds. Maybe more than that also sometimes. Yeah. So that's why, dear children, feel of power is a power means power is equal to W by T is there, no? If you want power to be more, then work should be more and whatever time taking is there, no, that should be less. Is this understood? Have you got feel of this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. More work should be done in less time so that power is more. Clear, dear children?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Yes, sir.
So, shall we go for a question? Shall we do a question so that
Yes,
our
sir.
concept is strengthened? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Now, a boy, write down this question. A boy of mass 25 kg climbs a tree, climbs a tree, climbs a tree, climbs a tree of height of height 10 meter in 1 minute. 10 meter in 1 minute. Find power of boy. Find power of the boy. Find power of the boy. Try this, dear children. Boy is having some power, no? So what's his power? Just check it. Yes, dear children, can you do this?
Yes,
How
sir.
much mass he is having? He is having a mass of 25 kg, no? Yeah. How much height he should go? He should go how many meters? 10 meter, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
10 meter he should go. Okay. Now, how many minutes he is taking? 1 minute. Now, remember, it cannot be put in minute. It has to be put in seconds. So that's why time is equal to, can I say 60 seconds?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now they are asking about power, right? Power means what, dear children? Work
Yes,
done
sir.
divided by time taken, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now this is the tree, dear children. Here is the tree. Now this boy, he climbs it, no? He goes and he sits here. After sitting here, I mean, how to find out the work? Tell me. He goes and sits here. How to find out the work done by him? Tell me. Whatever energy he gets here, that will be equal to work done or not? Yesterday I told you, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Work done by that boy is equal to energy of that boy when he reaches the top. Correct or not? Yes or no? I mean, if this tree is this much tall, now after going here, he will be having more energy, no? More energy means he must have done more work, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So that's why yesterday I told you whatever potential energy he gets, that is equal to work. I told you, no? That's what I have written here. What I have written here, I have written whatever work he is doing, that work done is equal to energy of the boy. Clear, dear children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, is it clear? Yes, please make it sure that it is very clear in your mind. All right. Now this work done is equal to energy of the boy means can I call it as mgh? Potential energy, of course, potential energy. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Now we cannot take kinetic energy here, no? We don't want to go for that velocity and all. Velocity thinking is not at all there. Only displacement of 10 meter is there. That's why W equal to mgh means 25 into G means 10, no? And H means the value of H is like how much is that? So 10. So W equal to what it is coming? It is coming 2500 joule, right? 2500 joule, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, yes, all right, dear children. Now, power is equal to work done divided by time is there. So, work done divided by time. Work done is like 2500 and T is like 60 seconds. They get cancelled. And you can do this, no? 2 3s are then 2. Otherwise, directly with what is this? With 6 also, you can do it. No issues. 6 ones are 6 fours are, then 1 is the carry. 6 ones are, then again 4 is the carry. 6 6 are, and 4 is the carry. 6 6 are, right? So it becomes 41.66 watt, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is the power what this boy is having. What does it mean? What is the meaning of this power? That is like 41.66 joule per second, no? Can I say 41.66 watt means can I say 41.66 joule per second? Because it is work done by time taken, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? In 1 second, how much work that boy is doing? In 1 second, that boy is doing 41.66 joule of work. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Now, you are bringing all these devices to your home, no? You brought a fridge. And in that, for example, I'm giving you example. If it is written as, okay, it won't be written as 200 watt. 200 watt, if it is written, what does it mean? It means 200 joule per second. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Usually, all these devices, they are not in watt, they are in kilowatt. How much watt they are having? Kilowatt they are there in, and kilowatt is represented by kW. Kilowatt means kW, and 1 kilowatt means 1000 watt. Do you know about this? Kilo means 1000, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And 2 kilowatt means 2000 watt, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So this is a different issue.
Yes.
Now I have one device here, one electric device 1, that is 200 watt, and electric device 2, it is having 100 watt. 100 watt means what? 100 joule per second, no? Now which one is powerful, 200 watt or 100 watt?
200 watt.
200.
Yes or no? 200 watt means, dear children, it is doing 200 joule of work in 1 second. Now 100 watt means it is doing 100 joule of work in 1 second. So time taken by them is like only 1 second. In 1 second, it is doing 200 joule. In 1 second, it is doing 100 joule. So that is like, this is more powerful, no? Power is more here, no?
Yes, sir.
And power is less here, right?
Yes, sir.
So did you get feel of this power and all?
Yes, sir. Got, sir.
Yeah. Now one more thing, dear children, very very important. That is like in some homes, no, you have all this in your home. This electrical meter is there. Have you seen that electrical meter? That that is not called electrical
Yes,
meter, is
sir.
also fine. That is called as energy meter. Somebody comes and gives you a bill, right? Energy meter. Yeah.
Yes.
That I
Yes,
mean,
sir.
energy
Yes, sir.
meter means it measures.
Yes, sir.
It measures. I mean, it keeps record of. It measures. I mean, how much electricity, measures the usage of electricity. Usage of electricity or usage of electrical energy, we can say. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Now how that works and all, that will come in your 10th standard and 12th standard and all. 12th standard also it is not there. In 10th standard, little bit of it is there, how it measures and all, magnetic effects of electric current and all. There will see that energy meter. All right, dear children. So energy meter means in home it is there, and it measures, I mean, what is the usage of electrical energy. All right, dear children. And in some home, no, that energy meter is having different ratings. In some home, the energy meter is having rating like 2 kilowatt. It is having 2 kilowatt, and somewhere it is having 1.5 kilowatt in some homes. Okay, in some homes it is like 0.5 kilowatt. What does it mean? It means like 2 kilowatt means what? 2000 watt, no?
Yes, sir.
2000 watt means 2000 joule per second, no? Here the circuit is more powerful. You can run so many devices with 2000 joule per second. But in 1.5 kilowatt, it is like 1500 watt, no? 1.5 kilowatt means. So 1500 watt means 1500 joule per second. It is little bit less powerful. Now if you come to 0.5 kilowatt, 0.5 kilowatt means 0.5 into 1000 watt, no? So 0.5 into 1000 watt means it is 500 watt, right? 500 watt means 500 joule per second. Now, for example, you brought a refrigerator. You got a fridge here, for example. The rating of this fridge is, the power rating of this fridge is, for example, it is 1 kilowatt. I mean, it want 1 kilowatt. Now, in this home, can you use, in this 0.5 kilowatt home, can you use this fridge?
No, sir. We can't use, sir.
No,
Yes or no? Are you getting my point? Now you cannot use this fridge. So this fridge, it can be used in this home or in this home. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Now here, if you want to use this, it won't be used. If you try to use this circuit will be burnt. I mean, this circuit will get damaged. Clear, dear children?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Now, I mean, yeah, that's how you have to understand about power. Power means the rating, whatever rating it is having, no, according to that. For example, if you want to use a refrigerator in your home, okay, you want to use a heater, you want that geyser is there, no? Heater means that geyser is there. If you want to
Gas
bring
geyser.
very, I mean, if you want to, yes, I mean, not gas geyser, electrical geyser. Gas geyser is different thing. If you want to use heavy electrical devices means for your home, you need high power rating or low power rating.
High power.
High power.
High power rating, no? Yes or no? Now, if you want to use it for smaller purposes, just one bulb is required and one fan is required. And if TV runs, TV is not a heavy device. Okay. So if runs that much means you need a low power requirement, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So now for example, you are running, I mean, you are not, I mean, for home it is okay. Now you want to run one industry. Dhirani Sugars is there in Mudol, no? So like that, if you want to industry, I mean, how much power you need? You need very high power requirement, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? According to your standards, I mean, according to standard as in, I mean, according to your requirement, you should be getting power. If you are using, for example, have you heard these LEDs? These LEDs, bulbs and all, they are having power rating, no? All these LEDs. Have you heard the LEDs
Yes,
like
sir.
one is like 8 watt and one is like 20
9
watt, another is like 40 watt. 8 watt won't be there. Sorry, 9 watt is there. 8 watt, usually it is not there. 9 watt, 20 watt, 40 watt, and something like 60 watt, and I mean 80 watt. Have you heard these watts and all?
Yes,
Heard,
sir.
sir.
Yes or no? So what are these? These are like 9 watt means what does it mean? It means 9 joule per second, no? And it is 20 watt means 20 joule per second, no? Which one will give you more light? Tell me. Among 9 and 20.
80 joule per second.
No, this definitely this is going to give very
20.
heavy light. 80 joule per
20.
second, it gives very heavy light. So that's why have you seen
20
these
joule
big
per
bulbs and all? Yeah. All right, fine.
Saw, sir.
Anyway, I'm just give okay, all right. So I mean this bulb, if you see this, no, this is very big, very huge. All right.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And these bulbs are very small, 9 watt. Okay. I mean zero bulb also they call. Why it is called zero bulb? I will discuss in some other class because some other reasoning is there for that. I mean, I had this one 60 watt bulb in my room to make all these YouTube videos. That was very huge. In our kitchen also. In our kitchen also, because I want, I mean, we want all the things to be very clear in kitchen. That's why we have put one 60 watt bulb. Okay, after the class, I will send you the picture of that in WhatsApp.
Yes.
Whatever we are using in our kitchen, I will send you that. It gives very bright light. If you adjust to that bright light, you will be feeling very uncomfortable in 20 watt and all. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, dear children, tell me, did you get complete feel of power?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So that's regarding your power, how it moves and all. Okay, all right, dear children. Now, after that, there will be so many questions framed on this. Look at this one more thing. So I told you power is equal to work done divided by time taken, no? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Now, can I say work done is equal to power into time?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Work done, I have kept it there only, and the T I have just sent this side. So work done is equal to PT, it has become. All right, dear children. So work done is equal to PT. This is very important. Now, whenever you consider work, no, I mean, when does a body does work? Tell me. A body does work when we provide energy for that, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? A body does work. A body can do work when we provide energy for that. No, for this work, can I call it as energy? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Tell me, dear children. Yes or no? Because work is done. This work is done if you provide energy. Now, how much work can you do? Tell me. You can do 10 joule of work if I provide you 10 joule of energy, right? If 10 joule of energy is provided to you, you will do 10 joule of work or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
That too, sometimes what happens? You provide 10 joule of energy, sir. If you are providing 10 joule of energy, then I am going to do 8 joule of work. then what happens to 2 joule? It gets wasted, no? So I give you complete all numericals, all details and all everything I give. 25 out of 25 marks scoring capability energy I give you. But how much you score? Do you score 25 out of 25 every time?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
No,
No,
sir.
right? I mean, some losses will be there. We are not discussing about losses. We are taking ideal situation. Okay. If I provide 10 joule of energy, I'm thinking like you are just doing 10 joule of work. I'm taking ideal situation. All right, dear children. So like that, whatever work we are doing, that work done is almost like equivalent to energy or not. Whatever energy we provide, that much work machines do. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So that's why instead of work, can I call it as energy or not? So instead of work, what I'm calling it as energy, and energy is equal to what is the formula? PT, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Usually we use this formula for what devices? For electrical devices. Usually we use this formula for electrical power. We don't use it for mechanical power. We use it for electrical power. Electrical power is not electrical power, sorry. Electrical energy. Electrical energy is equal to, we use the formula PT. Clear, dear children?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Look at this. I mean, try to understand this. This is a 10th standard topic also. In a 10th standard, this formula is very, very useful, and they will ask you so many questions on this. Electrical energy equal to PT. Okay, dear children. So time being, just remember this, make a note of this. We'll discuss some other thing, watt and all. Then we'll come back to this and we'll solve all those 10th standard numericals also in 9th standard by using the concept of power. Clear, dear children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, all right, dear children. Now, some doubts are there. Now, I'll be clarifying that. Okay, give me some time. I will be clarifying that. Naveen and Vaishali. Yes, let me complete this. Now, they will ask you one question. What is that? Define 1 watt. They will ask. What they will ask? Define 1 watt. Okay. Now, you only tell me what is the meaning of 1 watt. 1 watt means what, dear children? 1 watt is equal to 1 joule per second. No.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? So 1 watt means what? If a device, does a work of, if a device does a work of 1 joule in 1 second, 1 joule in 1 second, then power is 1 watt. Can I say? Then power is said to be 1 watt. Said to be 1 watt. Can I say like that? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So,
Yes,
are you
sir.
understanding my point? Yes, I hope everybody is getting it. This is how you are supposed to define the definition. I mean, a definition, you have to go through this. First, you have to understand the concept. Then you have to come for all this definition and all. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Is the document uploaded, dear children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now if I ask you, define 1 kilowatt, what will you say? Tell me.
1000 joule per second.
That's it. Over. 1 kilowatt means what does it mean? It means 1000 watt. 1000 watt. No, 1000 watt means what? 1000 joule per second. No. Yeah. So that's why I write this. If a device does work of 1000 joule in how many seconds? 1 second. Then power is said to be 1 kilowatt. Will you write this definition?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, dear children. So this is like the definition of 1 kilowatt. Shall I go forward now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. Now look at this. I have got one device here. Any device for that matter. Let me take it as ED. ED means what? Electrical device. Clear?
Yes, sir.
This electrical device, what you provide for this electrical device? Now this electrical device is having some power. It is having some power. Okay. Any power it can be. Let me take it as this power is like 2 kilowatt. Yes, power is like 2 kilowatt. Any refrigerator, whatever it is. Now, what you provide for this? Tell me. For this electrical device, what you provide?
Current.
You provide EE, right? EE means what? Electrical energy. Do you provide electrical energy for this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Electrical device means it is going to work on electrical energy. So if you provide electrical energy, what it does? It does work, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Now if you run it for time t, now this power is equal to what is the formula? Work done divided by time taken, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Now this work done, whatever it is there, this work done is fixed. I mean, sorry, this power is fixed. I mean, you cannot change it. Once you brought any electrical device with 2 kilowatt, can you change this power every now and then? No,
No,
right?
sir.
Because its capacity is like 2000 watt. 2000 watt means 2000 joule per second. So in 1 second, it will keep on doing 2000 joule work, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Now,
sir.
if you are having a device with power 1 kilowatt, 1 kilowatt, here also you have to provide electrical energy. It will also do work. Now, if you run it for 1 hour and if you run it for 1 hour, which one will it take more energy? Tell me. The first 2 kilowatt one will take more energy or this one will take more energy?
First,
First
2
one.
kilowatt will take
First
more
one, no.
energy,
Why?
sir.
Because it is more powerful. That's why it takes more energy. More energy and it does more work. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now it does less work because it takes less energy. Less energy it is taking and less energy it is doing. Sorry, less energy it is taking, less work it is doing. So are you feeling like energy and work are interlinked now? At least now, are you feeling like this work and energy are interlinked?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right, dear children. I hope the things are becoming clear for you. Immediately don't write anything. Just wait for some time. I mean, you can just get feel of this wherever things are, just okay. Then you can just understand about this. Okay, fine. So I'm just rubbing it off once again. So now, for example, it has run for some time t. Some time t means it can be anything. It can be like a 10 second, 1 minute, 1 hour, 2 days. Refrigerator and all. Do you turn it off? Refrigerator? No, right?
No, sir.
For
No,
how
sir.
many days they run? Here, like sometimes we run it for continuously for 10 days, no? Some day 10 days, sometimes 15 days, sometimes 30 days. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Or do you switch off your refrigerators? We don't switch off the refrigerators, no. Continuously for 10, 15 days, we just run it, no. Until and unless it becomes very dirty. To clean only, we just switch it off. Otherwise, it is on only all the time.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So, how much time we use, that is in our hand. How much time we use, that is in our hand. But how much work it does, that is not in our hand. I mean, how much power it is having, that is already fixed. This power is fixed, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Now, according to the time, how much time you are using, it will be consuming electrical energy. If you are using it for more time, it will consume more electrical energy. Clear or not? Yes
sir.
or no? Yeah, all right. So what I wrote like power is equal to W by T, right? Then W is equal to PT, right? So this work, whatever work it is doing, no, that work is equal to electrical energy or not?
Yes, sir.
Tell me, electrical energy equal to PT or not?
Yes,
Tell
sir.
me, electrical energy equal to PT or not? Tell me, dear children. Now tell me.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So if
Yes, sir.
so now this electrical energy has become equal to PT means what is the unit of electrical energy? Tell me. Unit of electrical energy. Energy means joule only. Now by looking at this formula, if I ask you, what is the unit of electrical energy? What is the unit of electrical energy? Tell me. Who will tell me? Power means watt,
Screen
no?
is shaking, sir.
Yeah, 1 second. Power is watt, no? And time is second, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Now, Jagannath, is it okay? Is it shaking or it's okay?
It's okay, sir.
Okay. Power is like watt and time is like second. Can I call electrical energy as watt second? Unit of electrical energy is like watt second.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Correct or not? Now, if you do this one, this will come to be joule only. Watt means what? Watt means joule per second, and again second get cancelled. It becomes joule only. No, so energy means joule only. Energy, electrical energy, whichever energy it is joule only. If I say what is the unit of solar energy? What is the unit of solar energy? What is the unit of solar energy? Joule. What is the unit of chemical energy? Joule. What is the unit of mechanical energy? Joule. What is the unit of potential energy? Joule. What is the unit of, this is also joule. Kinetic energy, that is also joule. Whatever energy, muscular energy, your muscular energy, joule. All energies are joule only, but electrical energy is also joule. But we want it to represent it in the form of watt second so that it is useful for us to pay the bills. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? So how
Yes,
to
sir.
pay the bills and all, I'll be discussing all those numericals. According to this watt second, how many watt seconds you have used, the bill will be paid, not in terms of joule. Okay? Not in terms of joule. It will be paid in terms of watt second. Clear, dear children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
I hope everybody is getting what I'm trying to say, because we want you to have complete feel of it, because when you are solving the numerical, I don't want you to have any problem. Yes?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Once again,
Yes, sir.
once again, just confirm this. What is this, dear children? Electrical device. For this, what we provide? Electrical energy we provide, and it does work. And work power is equal to work done divided by time taken, and work done is equal to PT, and this work done is linked with electrical energy. That's why electrical energy equal to PT. Unit of electrical energy is watt second. Clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. All right, dear children. So this is regarding your electrical energy. So let me get into that section now, so that we can solve the problems now, and we can discuss about that electrical energy. Now, if somebody asks you watt second, what it is? If somebody asks you what is watt second, define 1 watt second. For example, if the question is like define 1 watt second, define 1 watt second. Define 1 watt second means what, dear children? Energy equal to, what is the formula? PT, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now this power is like 1 watt and time is like 1 second. So energy becomes 1 watt second, no? Yes or no?
Yes,
Tell
sir.
me. So this is like, if any device of power, 1 watt is used for 1 second, then energy consumed by it will be 1 watt second. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Are you understanding? If any device is having power 1 watt, the power of it is 1 watt, and it is used for how many seconds? 1 second we use it, then it will consume some energy or not? Because it is powerful, in 1 second it will consume some energy. That energy itself is 1 watt second. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, I hope you got it. I mean, if you haven't got also, try to understand this. Now define 1 watt second means, is it energy or not? Tell me first of all. Watt second is like energy only, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Energy.
Yeah. So energy. So that is like when this 1 watt second will be consumed. Tell me. Now you may think like this power is like 1 watt, sir, and time is also 1 second. If any device is there with power 1 watt and it is used for 1 second, then it will consume a power of 1 watt second, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now somebody will say, sir, by using this formula, there is a device of power 0.5 watt, sir. There is a device of power 0.5 watt, sir, and we use it for 2 seconds, sir. Then 0.5 into 2 is also 1 only, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So it becomes 1 watt second, no?
Yes,
Now
sir.
can I say like, if a device of power 0.5 watt is used for 2 seconds, then it will consume a power of 1 watt second. Can I say like that also?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
And somebody will come and they will say, no, this is not correct. There is a device of power 0.2 watt and it is used for 5 seconds. Now 0.5 into 2 means it also becomes 0.2 into 5 means it
One.
also becomes 1 watt second, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now which definition is correct? We don't go for all these kind of definition. Always we consider with 1. So that's why we leave all this definition. These are also correct. It is not like these are not correct, but standard definition means you have to take 1. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
I hope you got it. Okay. Now how to write it? If a device of power, if a device of power, if a device of power 1 watt is used for 1 second, then energy consumed by it, then energy consumed by it is 1 watt second, whichever device it may be. It may be electrical device, it may be some other mechanical device, we don't bother about that. 1 watt device is there, it is used for 1 second means it will consume 1 watt second energy. Okay.
yes, sir.
Okay, all right. So shall I go for next question?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes, sir.
this whatever watt second is the, no, dear children, this watt second is very small. This watt second is very small. So do you think like you watch TV in seconds or in hours?
Hours.
Hours.
Hours,
Hours.
sir.
And do you run the fan for just 10 seconds or you run the fan throughout the night?
Throughout the
Throughout the
night, sir.
Then I
Throughout the
mean
night.
this second becomes very small for us, no?
Yes,
yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
And
sir.
you have small devices in your home or big devices in your home?
Both, sir.
Both are there, no? Small are also there, big also there. So that means instead of this watt, no, what we take, dear children, instead of that watt we take kilowatt. What we take? We take kilowatt. Okay. Now instead of second, what we take? We take hour. Okay. Now kilowatt hour is called as a commercial unit of electrical energy. What is this? This is called commercial unit of electrical energy. Very important for your NTSC. This is commercial unit of electrical energy, because our devices, whatever devices are there, they are not in watt. Almost all of them are in kilowatt. Yes, in kilowatt. And we use those devices for how many? Are we using them for seconds? No, we are using them for hours together. Clear, dear children?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So what do you
sir.
mean by
Yes, sir.
commercial? Commercial means what? Commercial means to pay bills, to pay the bills and all. So we are using all that commercial. Okay. All right, dear children.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. So our, I mean, if I say 1 kilowatt hour, dear children, 1 kilowatt. If I'm saying 1 kilowatt hour means 1 kilowatt means what? One. So I am writing here into kilowatt means, can I write 1000 watt?
yes, sir.
And into hour means, can I write it as 3600 seconds?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? So 1 kilowatt hour means, you write no, 1 kg means what you write? You write just 1000 gram, no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So like that, it is having two things. Now if I say 1 kg meter, if anything is there, 1 kg meter or 2 kg meter, so that means 2 into 1 kg means how many grams? 1000 grams into 1 meter means how many centimeter? 100 centimeter, no? You write like this, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? So yes, so we can write like that. So we are converting this kilowatt hour into watt second. So if you try to convert it, how much it becomes? So 1 kilowatt is equal to, look at this, 3600 and another 3 zeros. So it becomes these many watt second, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now this doesn't look that good. So we write 1 kilowatt is equal to, we just write it as 36 into how many zero there are? 5 zeros are there, no? So that's why we write it as 10 to the power 5 watt second. Clear, dear children? So 1 kilowatt is equal to 36 into 10 to the power 5 watt second. You can remember this. If you don't remember also, don't bother, because 1 kilowatt hour means 1 into, and 1 kilowatt means 1000 watt, and 3600 second, that is there, and you can just bring it, and you can bring this also. No need to worry if you don't remember. Clear, dear children?
Yes, sir.
Now if I write 2 kilowatt, convert 2 kilowatt into watt second, what will you do? 2 into, then kilo means 1000 watt, into watt means 3600 second. Look at this. Did you convert or not? Yes or no? Now instead of this, can I write directly 2 into 36 into 10 to the power 5 watt second?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? I can write now. If you remember this, so the useful thing is like 1 kilowatt means these many, 1 kilowatt means these many watt seconds are there. 2 kilowatt means 2 into, then 36 into 10 to the power 5 watt second. It becomes quick. 2 into 36 is like 72. 72 into 10 to the power 5 watt second. It becomes easy for us, no? Tell me, dear
Yes, sir.
children, confirm. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
I hope you are understanding whatever I am teaching, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. All right. Now, I mean, you must be understanding about other things now. If I say 3 kilowatt or 4 kilowatt, 4 kilowatt means how many watt second it is? Directly I can write 4 into 36 into 10 to the power 5, 10 to the power 5 watt second, no?
Yes, sir.
So directly I can write. If you don't want, you can just carry forward. How you can carry forward? 4 kilowatt means 4 into, kilo means 1000 watt, into kilowatt hour. No, sorry, I'm just writing kilowatt and all. Hour, I just forgot. Okay, sorry for this. Okay, here I have written. Here also I made a mistake. No, that's why you are silent, I guess. Yes, I got to know the point just now. Okay, here only 2 kilowatt means how much it will be? Only 2 kilowatt means 2000 watt, no? Yeah?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sorry for that. Nobody was saying that 2 kilowatt hour means I can write 2 into 36 into 10 to the power 5. Is it okay now? That becomes 72 into 10 to the power 5 watt second, no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah. Otherwise, you can, how you can do it? You can do it as 2 kilowatt is equal to 2 into, kilo means 1000 watt, hour means 3600 second. So it becomes again 2 into, that becomes 36,000,000. So here you are supposed to write 2 into 36 into 10 to the power 5. Then it becomes 72 into 10 to the power 5 watt second. We got the same answer, no, dear children? So here also
Yes,
and
sir.
there also.
Yes, sir.
Which one do you prefer? The top one or bottom one?
Top one.
Top one, sir.
If you remember, it becomes okay. If you don't remember, then anyhow second method is there for you. Yeah?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right, fine. Fine, dear children.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Yes, sir.
So let us do one. Let us. Arey yaar, please. What is this? How stupid? How stupid it is, no? To turn on the mic where somebody is shouting and all. I mean, act a little bit matured, no, dear children. If somebody is shouting, don't turn on the mic, no? Yeah. So, okay, question. Because I'm using these earphones with high volume and all. If you're speaking normally, I feel comfortable. Otherwise, I feel like something has happened to me. Somebody was shouting there, no? Yeah?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's so irritating. I mean, please try to cooperate, dear children. We have 7 to 8 classes every day, 7 to 8 hours. I mean, I have to conduct that. Then I have to be treated well, right? So that's why, please, dear children, please, sincere request. Yeah. All right. So do this question. A refrigerator. Write down this question. A refrigerator has power rating of 2 kilowatt, and it is used for 10 hours. We use it for 10 hours continuously. It is used for 10 hours. Find bill to be paid. Find bill to be paid if cost of electricity is, if cost of electricity is 2 rupees. This is a symbol for new rupees. Everybody knows about this, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So if cost of electricity is 2 rupees per kilowatt hour, that means if you are using 1 kilowatt hour, you should pay how many rupees? 2 rupees you have to pay. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now they are asking you, what is the bill to be paid if that refrigerator with power 2 kilowatt is used for 10 hours? Yes, do this.
Yes, sir.
Comment your answer if you get it. Comment your answer if you get it. What is the power of the device, dear children? It's 2 kilowatt, no? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, how much time we are using it? We are using it for 10 hours, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, can I find out how much electrical energy it consumes? Electrical energy equal to PT formula is there, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now you must be thinking like, sir, where this formula came from, sir? I don't know, sir. Are you saying me like this? Huh?
No, sir.
Don't say okay, because that formula is there already. I have explained you back. If you want, I can just go back and show you. Here I have explained, all these things, how that came. Look at this. Electrical equal to PT. You said yes for this, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So you look at this. Everywhere I have explained you electrical energy equal to PT. Look at this beautiful PDF. I mean, it will come to you. I mean, all study materials are uploading, no, dear children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And videos are also coming, no?
Coming, sir.
Yes, sir.
Maybe.
Good. So
Yes, sir.
P means 2 kilowatt and time means 10 hour. So electrical energy, whatever electrical energy is there, it is like 20 kilowatt hour, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? So here I am not writing kilowatt. No need to write kilowatt and hour here. Directly at the last you can write. No issues. Clear, dear children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now,
sir.
how much bill he should pay? Tell me. Bill to be paid. Now, if he is using 1 kilowatt hour, how much
20.
rupees we are supposed to give 2 rupees, no? So
Yes, sir.
20 kilowatt hour means, can I just multiply 20 into 2?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
For 1 kilowatt hour, 2 rupees. For 20 kilowatt hour, 20 into 2, no?
200.
No, that is like 40 rupees, no? Not 200. 40 rupees we have to pay, no? Yeah.
40 rupees, sir.
Did you get this, what I told, dear children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I hope you got it. Okay. Okay. Yeah. That too 40 rupees, how it comes, no, dear children? Look at the beauty of this mathematics and physics skills here. How it comes, no, 40 rupees. Bill to be paid is like, one is like how much power, how much energy we have used. We have used 20 kilowatt hour, no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And
Yes, sir.
into how many rupees? 2 rupees. 2 rupees per kilowatt hour means divided by kilowatt hour, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Now look at this. This kilowatt hour cancels, and what remains? Only rupees remains, no? 20 into 2 rupees. That is like 40 rupees, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. That's how it comes, but we don't write it like this. If you write also, it is correct only. But how usually we write it? We write it like 20 into 2, and that becomes 40 rupees. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Everyone, is it clear, dear children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, let me give you one homework. So you want me to give it as a homework, or you want me to solve here only? Tell me.
Homework.
If I
Homework,
give
sir.
homework, you will try to find about it and your concept will be strengthened. And anyhow, tomorrow I am there to solve that.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So
Yes,
please
sir.
take down a homework. Okay.
Yes, sir.
A heater is rated at a heater is rated at 1.5 kilowatt. It is used 3 hours per day 3 hours per day for 20 days. 3 hours per day for 20 days. Okay, 3 hours per day for 20 days. Find
Yes, sir.
bill to be paid. Find bill to be paid if cost of electricity is 3 rupees per kilowatt hour. 3 rupees per kilowatt hour. Okay. Do this, dear children. Very, very interesting problem it is. Interesting me as in, I mean, it will just strengthen your topic. Is it uploaded?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, dear children. I hope you have learned
Uploaded, sir.
so many things today. Are you thinking like you have learned so many things today, dear children?
Yes, sir.
Oh,
Is it like a new things for you? All these new things, and are they crystal clear?
Yes, sir.
new things,
Yeah.
sir.
So yes, they are very crystal clear, and that's what Kalparuksha classes is known for. Kalparuksha classes is known for clearing the concepts that to crystal clear. I mean, everything should be clear. There should not be any doubt. Okay, dear children.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. All right, dear children. And now we are going to end this class. So I'm very happy that all of you have joined the class and you got benefited out of this. Okay, dear children, take care and have a good day. Bye bye. I will see you tomorrow at 8
Thank you,
o'clock.
sir. Bye, sir.
All right? Yeah.
Sir, bye,
Thank you,
sir.
8
sir.
o'clock.
Bye.
8 o'clock, I will be seeing you. Okay. Take care. Bye
Show
bye.
your face, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye,
8
sir.
o'clock. 8 o'clock.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, everyone. Bye.
Sir. Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, everyone.
Thank you,
Bye.
sir.
Take
Bye,
care.
sir.
Take care. Bye bye. Take care. All of you. Bye.
Sir.
Bye.